guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be another clean with me video. I figured I would start it off vlog style for you guys. So don't mind my hair. Just wasn't feeling it this morning, but since I'm cleaning, it's like whatever. But yeah, my apartment is super messy. Like, I'm ashamed. Ashamed to show you guys how bad it is. But I was on vacation for 2 weeks and James was home for a week, so he left some dishes and whatever. It's not a big deal. But then when I got home, I had a planner sticker sale going on, so I had to put like all of my focus all week into designing stickers and getting them up and whatever. And then I was also sick on Monday, so I lost Monday completely. So I just had to do everything basically in 3 days: Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Today is Friday, and I need to clean this apartment before I go insane. So yeah, I apologize for what you're gonna see. It's not pretty, but we are cleaning it up. It is Friday. We're starting off the weekend right. So let's get into it.
I'm so good at pretending. Keep on smiling in my tiny bubble, like a movie without ending. Spending time like it was going backwards. Bruises covering my walls, but they fall down. Diving deeper in the books that we read blind. Breathing in and breathing out to get smarter. Not working out for me, yeah. Got no money on my mind. Tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the jokes you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines, neat and tidy all the time. If you ask me, I am fine. Got no money on my mind. Yeah, you make me feel like there's no air left to breathe. Yeah, you make me feel like I can run on water. I'm picking up the speed. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be there. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be the one to hold me. You will always be the one who knows me. You will always be, come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, I know you will always be the. I'll be enough for you, baby. I'll do it all for you. I'll be enough for you. 'Cause you make me feel like, yeah, you make me feel like, I said you make me feel like, yeah, you make me feel. I know you will always be the one.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. I never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason. Reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we can set the world on fire, world on fire. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire, I desire. Oh, every time we touch, we can set the world on fire, world on fire. I just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution.
Okay guys, so I wanted to wrap up this video. I decided to only show you guys the living room, kitchen, and my office. I'm going to do another cleaning video for my bedroom and bathroom, but right now my bedroom, literally, like, I cannot put it on camera. It looks awful. So, you know, life happens. But I did want to come back on here and just tell you guys, hey, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and also click the little bell notification, I'm not sure, somewhere around here, and that way you're notified anytime that I upload. And I also want to say, if you guys are new here and you did subscribe, or you've been like one of my new followers, thank you so much. It means so much to me. We are almost at 2,500 subscribers, and literally, you guys, like, I never ever thought I would hit 2,000, let alone like almost 2,500. So thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. If you guys subscribe, watch my videos, it just means a lot to me, and I hope you guys enjoy them. So yeah, I'm gonna go so I can finish working on cleaning, but I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.